Meaning of incense.
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 Incense. Incense refers to a substance that is burned to produce a fragrant aroma. It is commonly used in religious and spiritual ceremonies, as well as in homes and other settings for its pleasing scent. Incense can be made from a variety of natural materials, including plant resins, essential oils, and herbs. Burning incense is believed to have many benefits, such as purifying the air, promoting relaxation, and enhancing meditation. Different types of incense are also associated with different meanings and properties, making it a popular tool in various cultures and traditions.